Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 2015 Subaru Impreza Sport. It's got a little dent on the fender. I don't know how much battery time we got left. I'm just going to do this for you so that we get another video out for you today. I mean, I think we're on par for almost 3 videos for today, but I got number 1, no heat, just getting right behind it. This one, yes guys, is going in the free bin. This is a little dent that I noticed after doing a larger dent on this car. Let me go up top here. There's a little wave. If you see where I'm at, let's straighten out that wave up there, like blam. And then come back down and finish off this little guy right here. So I know this dent's coming out real fast, and I'm just gonna say, take this time to say I sure do appreciate everybody that clicked on this little quick video that we're gonna make here for you right now. And if you would, hit that subscribe button. We sure appreciate it. Click the bell, get some notifications going. You'll be notified every time we make new content. That dent is almost gonzo. Let's look real close. It'd be tough to find anything with no board. So I'm pretty much just gonna give that one more look-ski. A little bit right here. A little bit right there on that body line. Just to straighten it out. But once again, this is just a free dent that I noticed on the car, and I don't like to leave dents, so that's how we do it. And seal this back up. Just snuck underneath that little plastic liner. I love the way Subarus are. Very accessible. And so with that, I'll just say the thing. Hey guys, this has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.